Hey guys, Assalamualaikum. My name is Mushfiqur Rahman and we are back with another video. So today we will make a magic liquid like this. And I will do some experiment with that liquid. But first we have to make this liquid. Starch is needed to make this liquid. We will extract that starch from these potatoes. Yes, we have 2 kg potato here. So before we start our video, please like this video and share this video and subscribe to our channel. So let's cut this potatoes first, then we'll extract the starch from potatoes. So let's do it. Now I'm going to pour warm water into this pot. Now I am going to soak all this potato here. Now I'm going to squish it. We squish the all potato. You guys can see at the lower level something white came out from this water. So we are going to wait 1 hour.
1 hour later.
Alright guys, now I'm going to throw all this water here. Guys, the moment we are waiting for all this time, we are work on this thing. This is called starch. And this is what I need. Since water is mixed with this starch, so we don't have to make magic liquid. It's already made. We have the magic liquid. So I'm going to take this all liquid. Alright guys, ladies and gentlemen, we have the liquid, magic liquid, and it's not a normal liquid, it's a magic liquid. So it's called non-newtonian fluid. It's also called Oobleck. Why we call this liquid as a magic liquid? Guys, it's completely opposite of normal liquid. So we know that liquids exist when we force energy. Even if we do not use energy on liquid, it's remain liquid. But the behavior of this liquid, when we applied force on it, it becomes solid. And when if no force is applied, it becomes liquid. Amazing guys, right? So let's test this liquid. So alright guys, when I applied force on it, it's become solid guys, as you guys can see. But when I slowly put my hand on this, my finger will sink. Again, force, energy, slow. So I'm going to make a ball. You can see how hard it is. It looks. But when I stop moving, it's become liquid. It's again. I'm going to make a ball. Just see. It becomes liquid. Amazing, right, guys? Totally amazing. Alright guys, when I punch on it, as you guys can see how hard it is. But after, slowly, my hand will sink. So yeah, this is the video. If you guys want to do this experiment at home, you can do this. No problem. It's a magical liquid. I really like it. It's actually magical liquid, guys. Amazing, amazing. I hate this chicken. Long hard work, we success. So alright guys, in the future, if I become a big YouTuber, then I will make this experiment a bigger level. So yeah, so this is the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. So if you guys enjoyed, please like this video, subscribe to our channel and share this video. So yeah, this is lot of experiment. My name is Mushfiqur Rahman and I'll catch you in the next video. So tata, bye bye.